Today I'm going to show you how to create an instance and utilize the developer preview of PostgresBC. So PostgresBC is a fork of Postgres. It enables you to do Web3 automation with Postgres, as well as having homomorphic encryption, which means full text searchable encryption. So to sign up for the developer preview, which will only be running for 28 days and is free of charge, you go to https://postgresbc.ai, where you'll see a small form. And we only ask you a few questions. Are you a developer, a DBA, or other? We ask you for your name, your email address, your LinkedIn profile if you have one, and then if you could put a password in for your instance. So I'll type my password. Would suggest you change that when you first log in. Up to you, of course. Okay, so this now goes away and creates your instance, and when it's ready, it comes back and tells you how to log in. So there we go. PostgresBC is a fork of Postgres, which means that you can use most of your tools. Within the developer preview, we have limited the use of pgadmin because you don't have administrator rights to the system itself. If you sign up to our full system later on this month, you will get full Postgres super user access. But in this one, you don't have. So what I need to do here is copy that and paste it into here and press enter and put in my password. As I said before, we would suggest that the first thing you do when you log on is change your password. So auto role index_io with password. This password. Okay, that's altered. Now if I come out of that, up arrow, and go back in with my new password. There we go. Okay, so this instance requires you to work solely within your own schema, which in this case is the instance name, sibain_ontheindex.io. It does know the difference between a table and a block holder. The block holder has full AI access and doesn't allow you to delete or update data, but it does allow you to run a chatbot across the data, as well as to have a thesaurus run on the data as it goes in automatically. So let me go and create a block. Create block and name encrypt, and that's going to be text. Because we've appended encrypt to it, it means that field will automatically be encrypted and remain searchable. The algorithm is AES-256, and the key is yours. It's the derived key, but it's only for your instance. Nobody else has access to that. When it comes to the full system, the only people who have access to the data are people who have select, insert, update privileges. They can see the data. If you have select privileges, you can search data, but you can never see it. This is encrypted data. And if you have insert and update, you can't select, you can't search or see it. Okay, press enter on that, and that's done. Now let me go and put some data in. Yeah. So just put one record in there. That's done. I'm going to put a different record in there now as well. And that's done. Then we can go and, as you can see, there we go. We've got the two records, Simon Bain, we've got Genesis, and we've got a hash in there. I can see that record. If I went in as an administrator, I wouldn't get that. I wouldn't be able to see it at all. Only you in this instance can see that data. It is encrypted, hard for you to see on that, but I can also search on that encrypted data by doing this, where it's an encrypted search, so we use OIDX SQL. So you'll see up here, in here we've got A1, A1A right through. They're the AI fields. They're empty in this case because I haven't yet populated that. So if I press enter on this, I get an error. And the error is because I haven't fully parsed it. I need to do that with all queries. There we go. And we get just the one count coming back from there. If I change the query to just like any other query. Put in there Simon. And although it is encrypted, you can do full text search on this. So that's it. That's how you sign up for the developer preview to go and play and see what you think. The web address is https://postgresbc.ai, and we just ask you a few questions. So thank you very much for your time.